All right, good morning and welcome back. Today we are going to continue talking about our relationships when we have our different kinds of segments or lines on our circle. Yesterday we talked about if we had two chords intersecting on a circle or if we had a tangent and a secant intersecting on the edge of the circle. Today, if we look here, it's when we have two secants, or here, two secants over here to the right intersecting at a point on the exterior, two tangents intersecting at a point on the exterior, or one secant and one tangent intersecting on the exterior. Notice all three of these intersect at the exterior, and the formulas are very similar here. AD here represents that arc. In this case, BAD represents that arc. And in this case, AE represents that arc. The outside arc, that will also always be the bigger arc. When I say outside, I mean it's on the opposite side from the angle. And that always has to go first because we can't have a negative angle. Then you also have the little arc, BD there, BD right there, and in this case, BD, which is right there. And if we take the difference between those arcs, so the arc minus the arc, big arc minus small arc, and then times 1/2 or divide by 2, we'll get what that angle is on the outside. So this first one, our little arc here, 41, the big arc, 164. All we have to do, it's 1/2 times 164 minus 41. If you weren't sure which one to put first, it cannot be negative. So it can't be 41 minus 164. That would give us a negative answer. That doesn't make sense. So 164 minus 41, if we do that, we get 123. So half of 123, or 123 times 0.5, or divided by 2, you can think of it. That's 61.5 degrees. And that's our answer. And we're done. And that is what this angle right here is. As you see, initially it asked for what was A, C, D, what this angle right there was. Okay, number 2, it asked for us to find what ACE is, so what this angle is. So once again, just take 1/2 times, it's always the biggest arc, so 26 minus the small arc. 26 minus 8 is 18, so half of 18, and we will get 9 degrees. Number 3, same approach. This time we're finding x. X is right there, so this angle, we have our two tangents here. We'll take half times 200 minus 160. So 200 minus 160 leaves us with 40. Half of that 40 is 20 degrees. Now, some of you might think that doesn't look realistic. You're probably right. In reality, if these would intersect and be tangent and that was 160, it'd probably be closer here to half. The angle would be way out here. It'd be smaller. But the pictures aren't always perfect. That's okay. Now our last one. Once again, this one is a little different. It asks us to find the arc PS. Okay, so arc PS is right here. Right away, since there's just two letters there, we know that's 180 is the most it can be. It's less than 180. So if we think about it here, we already have the angle. On the previous 3, we were solving for the angle. So we have what it equals. It will equal 44. We want to do 1/2 times, and then it's going to be x minus 65. We don't know what x is, so we just put it in place. We don't know what that question mark is, so we put an x there. Now, to solve this, you could distribute the half in, but I think it's going to be easiest just to multiply by 2. That cancels. Multiply by 2. You're going to be left with x minus 65 equals 88. 2 times 44. Then we just add 65. Add 65. We are left with x equals 153 because we would have got a 3, 1. So 153. That's our answer. There's 5 problems to do on Delta Math, so get that done. It should be pretty easy. I would guess it'll take you less than 10 minutes, but if you have any questions, let me know. Hope you have a great day. And remember, our quiz over Chapter 16 is going to be on Friday. So Wednesday and Thursday we'll review. Friday we'll take that quiz. Hope you have a great day.